मडगाव पुलिसांनी टू व्हीलर चोरयेच्या केशींत 3 जाणांक अटक केल्या. तिगूय कोल्हापूरचे. सतीश बतुंगे, प्रदीप बागडी आणि आकाश बागडी. तिगूय 21 ते 24 वर्साच्या वयोगटातले. तांच्याकडल्यान एक टू व्हीलरूय जप्त केल्या. मडगावच्या बसवराज हडपतान आपली बायक चोरयेक गेल्या म्हणून कागाळ केल्ली. तांकां 14 दिसाची ज्युडिशियल कस्टडी दिल्या.
On 7 December 2017, one Basavaraj Hadpad, age about 42 years, residence of Konkani, Azadnagar, Margaon, presently staying at Azadnagar, Margaon, lodged his complaint that on 27 November, between 27 November to 28 November, some unknown culprits committed the theft of his Splendor motorcycle number GA010B0946. In this connection, we registered the crime under section 379 IPC. And during the course of investigation, we received information from Shirur police station that the 3 accused persons have been caught by them, and they were booked under that crime, and they admitted of commission of crime of this Splendor motorcycle from Goa. So accordingly, we moved a transfer warrant and took the custody of the 3 accused, namely Satish Bhatunge, he is from Kolhapur, Maharashtra. Second one is Pradeep Bagde, he is also from Kolhapur, Maharashtra. And third is Akash Bagde, same from Kolhapur, Maharashtra. And presently we arrested them in the crime, and today we produce them for remand, and we take 14 days judicial custody remand. No, till now we have arrested them in this crime. Now further we will find out that whether they are involved in other auto thefts or otherwise.
सणासुदीचे दीस आयले की मार्केटांनी बनावट माल येवपाक लागता आनी मागीर रेडी सुरू. मागीर ते खाद्य पदार्थाचेर आसूं वा डेकोरेटिव्ह आयटमाचेर. लिगल मेट्रोलॉजी खात्यान मडगांवां इलेक्ट्रीक शॉपाचेर रेड घालून 5 लाखाचो माल जप्त केला. चडसो माल खंय चायना मेड, ते भायर MRP ना आनी बाकीच्यो डिटेल्सूय ना. तांच्यो अश्योच रेडी चालू उरतल्यो म्हूण खात्याचे इन्स्पेक्टर सांगतात.
Conducted raids at Jain Electrical based on the complaint received from the consumer. We had received a complaint that the electrical shop is selling China-made goods which were not bearing the mandatory declarations, such as manufacturer's name, then the maximum retail price. All the declarations which are required as per the Legal Metrology Act and rules made thereunder were not printed on the packages. As such, we have conducted search and we have seized the material which is displayed backside. The total cost of the seized goods will be around 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs. And major portion of the seized goods are China-made goods.
So what type of goods?
These are all LED made, like LED light, decorative lights, which are being used for Christmas, especially brought for Christmas festival.
एके बायलेच्या अब्रू बदनामीच्या केशीत एक्टिव्हिस्ट आयरिश रॉड्रिग्जाची क्रायम ब्रांचीन वरभर चौकशी केली. आयरिश म्हणटा आपूण निर्दोष. क्रायम ब्रांचीक पुराय सहकार्य दिता. आपणे सेक्स स्कॅन्डलाचो व्हिडिओ अपलोड करूकूच ना म्हणून आयरिशान मिडियाक सांगले. पुराय प्रकरणात सत्ताधारी राजकारणाचो हात आसा म्हणून आयरिशाचो दावो.
I have this morning appeared before the crime branch and given my detailed statement. I have given the IO Mr. Datta Guru Sawant the entire sequence of events, and over a hour-long statement I have placed before him the entire facts, and it is now for him to investigate further in the case. I have right through the investigation cooperated with the IO right from Anjuna police station when I was summoned on the 30th. It has been my stand and it is my stand that the entire complaint against me is false and fabricated. The entire complaint is concocted. In fact, the complaint is on a basis that I had uploaded a video involving the minister and the lady concerned. I told the Anjuna police station, and I have told the police today also, that they should try and show me that video, because I have not uploaded any video, and as there is no video uploaded by me, the very foundation of that complaint is bogus, and it proves that it is a fabricated complaint against me. That those behind this fabricated complaint will be eventually exposed as the truth, and nothing but the truth will surface after the investigation by the crime branch. So I have always cooperated, and anything that the crime branch needs from me, I will cooperate with them.
घेऊया एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक.